how to make and create video promo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional promotion video on Canva easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Canva. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design, click on video. It will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down until you find the promo video right here. Click on see all and choose the template that you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Click on it again, and as you can see, you can change the text how to media, for example, like this. You can change here, and let's see, it's so professional as you can see. After you finish, click here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.